Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your sensitive content settings on Twitter. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Twitter app and tap on your profile photo from the top left corner of the home page. Tap on Settings and Privacy. From the Settings and Privacy page, tap on Privacy and Safety. Scroll down to the Safety heading and where it says Display media that may contain sensitive content, turn the toggle on. You will now be shown sensitive content on Twitter. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Twitter tips and tricks.